Kusudama Origami Flower Tutorial, delivered by Callaloo Carnival Arts, commissioned by third sector leaders supporting communities. What you'll need: 6 squares of paper. We used 15 by 15 cm paper from a magazine, a glue stick, toothpick, ruler and scissors. Step 1. Line up the opposite corners of your paper square and fold it in half. Your square will now be a triangle. Step 2. Take one corner of your triangle and fold it up to the centre point to create a flap. Then do the same with the other corner. Now you should have a square again. Step 3. Take one of the flaps you just made and fold it back on itself, pointing away from the centre point. Then do the same with the other flap. Step 4. Now gently unfold the flaps you just made and flatten them down. It should look like a kite. Then fold the tops downwards. Step 5. Fold the outer sides of each flap in towards the centre, then bring the two sides together. Glue the sides together and leave it to dry whilst you make 5 more following the same process. Step 6. Use a cocktail stick to apply a line of glue along each side of the petal. Then stick the pieces together to form the complete flower. Kusudama Origami Flower Tutorial by Callaloo Carnival Arts, commissioned by third sector leaders Kirklees Supporting Communities.